Good morning, students. So, take out your science book, chapter 13, Wastewater Story. We have already studied this chapter. So, today we are going to revise the bookwork. Come to the page number, exercise page number 163. So, today we are going to revise these questions. The first question is choose the correct options in each. Okay, MCQ type question. Number 1, which one of the following diseases is not waterborne? So they are not caused by the contaminated water. Which disease is not caused by contaminated water? Number 1, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea, or common cold. That is D part, common cold. Coming to the next, some alternative sources of sewage disposal are. What are the alternative sources? They are the septic tank, chemical toilets, composting pits, or all of these. So we have already studied about all these. So the answer is D part, all of these. Third question, chemical treatment of wastewater is done to. We have studied about the chemical treatment of the wastewater, that is sewage. Yes, so it is done to A part, kill the diseases causing bacteria. Next, open drains are breeding grounds for. So open drains, they are the breeding ground for what? Bacteria, virus, ants, or mosquitoes? D part, mosquitoes is the right answer. Next, what name is given to the water carrying human feces, urine, and other substances? They were asking about the wastewater. Yes, so it is sewage. What was the name? A part, sewage. Next, clarified water is further treated by aeration. We have already learned. Now why? A part, it initiates the growth of aerobic bacteria. Aerobic means it is related to the area. Yes, it is related to air, oxygen. Okay. Next, the water left over after removing sludge and grease is called clarified water. We have just read it about it. It is clarified water. Coming to the next question, sequence. Okay, in this question you have to put the sequence. First question, treatment of wastewater involves a few stages. Arrange them in a sequence. Number first is water is made to flow slowly through the chambers where the sand and grit settle down. So it is not the first step. What is the first step is large objects are removed by filtering through the bar screens. So this will be the first one. So write it down, B. Coming to the next is water is made to flow slowly through the chambers where the sand and grit settles down. This is the next stage. What is the third stage? After this, sedimentation tank we have studied. So come to the D part. In the sedimentation tank, the sludge settles down and is removed by the scrubbers. So this is the third one, D part. Okay, BAD. Next one, oil and grease is skimmed off from the surface and clarified water is obtained. This is the fourth stage, C part. What is the next one? Clarified water is treated by blowing air to increase the growth of aerobic oxygen related bacteria. Yes, the bacteria in the oxygen. So aerobic bacteria which feed on the remaining matters. This is the fifth stage. Okay. After E, after the fifth stage, come to the sixth one. The well-feed bacteria settles down and form activated sludge that is removed. After this, last one is chemical treatment. So the last stage, the water is then chemically treated by what? By the chlorine and it is exposed to UV rays to make it potable. It can be used. Okay, so this is how the wastewater is treated. Okay, these are the stages. So what was the stage? Come again. B, A, D, C, E, then F, and last one is G part. Okay, come to the next one. So in this, the digester and generator plant process flow is given. We have to arrange it in a sequence. Number one will be feed, digestion, after that biogas, and the last products will be electricity with the manure. Okay, coming to next, very short answer questions. Now let's revise this. Number one, name a chemical used to further treat clarified water. We have just read about it. Yes, what we have added in it, which chemical? That is chlorine, so write down chlorine. Next, is clarified water fit to drink? No, you can't drink it, so write the answer no. If not, what it can it be used for? For what it can be used? It can be used in the which purpose? So it can be used for non-potable purposes such as irrigation, industrial cooling, or toilet flushing. Okay, these three. Coming to next, name a few waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases, the diseases caused by contaminated water. So, what all are they? Cholera, jaundice, and diarrhea. The last question which we have to revise is, what are the large pipes that collect waste water called? The large pipes, you have to name the large pipe. Okay, the pipe which collect the wastewater. So what was that? Sewers. What are that name? Sewers. Done. So hope you have revised this chapter bookwork.